In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error E29 step by step. This is a common issue that can stop you from logging in or using Steam properly, but don't worry because the fix is actually pretty simple and only takes a few minutes. Make sure you follow each step carefully so the error doesn't come back. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is completely close Steam. And I don't just mean clicking the X button, because Steam can still run in the background. To fully close it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look for anything called Steam or Steam.exe in the list of running processes. When you find it, click on it and then press End Task. Make sure you close every single Steam process you see here, because leaving even one running can cause the error to persist. Once that's done, we're going to clear Steam's configuration, which is often what causes the E29 error in the first place. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type steam://flushconfig and then press Enter. This command will reset Steam's configuration files without deleting your games, so don't worry about losing anything. After you press Enter, Steam should automatically restart. You might be asked to log in again, and that's completely normal. Now, before you open Steam and continue using it, there's one more important step that a lot of people skip. Go ahead and restart your computer. This ensures that all temporary files and background processes are fully cleared out, which helps prevent the error from coming back. Once your PC restarts, open Steam again like you normally would and sign back into your account. At this point, the error E29 should be completely fixed and Steam should be working normally again. If you're still seeing the error, double check that you ended all Steam processes and type the command correctly, because even a small mistake can stop the fix from working. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error E29. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.